welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Corie and I don't normally look quite this bad. I obviously don't have any makeup on. Today is just a work day for me. It's Sunday, I'm just chilling, and I'm going to film right now for you guys a lipstick declutter video. I have collected so many lipsticks over the years and it's just time to go through. Get rid of ones that are old and expired, rid of ones that I will just never use again, colors that don't suit me very well. I wanted to hop on here also and let you guys know that me and my mom have officially started our podcast. It's a lifestyle podcast about pretty much everything. We've done like our summer must-haves. We're about to record a podcast about animals and how we feel about pets and having souls and stuff like that, dreams, all sorts of stuff. We're planning an episode on eating disorders and our experience with that. So I will have the link to our podcast down below. Please go give it a listen. It's available anywhere that you listen to your podcasts, including Apple Podcasts, Google Play, everywhere. But I will leave the link to our Anchor page down below to whatever page you want to listen to your podcast on. It's called Hot Bread Honeys. We're really excited about this podcast and it would mean the world if you guys went and listened to our podcast. So without further ado, here is my lipstick declutter video. I'm not going to be recording my entire makeup collection declutter. It's gonna have to be in pieces. If you like this video and you want me to do a different declutter video, such as like foundation or eyeshadow palettes, eyeshadow would be a good one to do because I got a few. But if you like this one, let me know what you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Let's get into it. So all of the lipsticks that I have are in this drawer that I brought from my makeup vanity and this bag that I got from Sephora. The reason that I have a whole bunch in this bag is because once me and my husband got married, I didn't have the space to bring a vanity with me. Everything kind of got put in the shuffle and I haven't really reorganized since I was able to use my vanity again. So that's kind of why we're decluttering and organizing now, is to get my vanity back in tip-top shape. I'm gonna start with the vanity drawer because these are my lesser used lipsticks that I obviously didn't bring with me in this bag. So I'm gonna start with this stuff because this has nothing to do with lips. I have these manicure files that I just need to put somewhere else. And I've got this tin from Benefit. This is actually perfect. I'm gonna put the decluttered lipsticks in this tin here to get rid of. Okay, so I have my Bite birthday gift from last year. It came with samples of the agave lip mask and the lip scrub. I'm gonna throw those away. I've got the full size, I don't need those. We've got lipstick in the shade Chai, kind of a brownie nude. I think I'll keep that for now. And their lip crayon in the shade Glace, which I'm pretty sure I have the full size of that. It's like a mauve-y nudish color. I'm gonna keep that as well. I have a Lancome matte shaker in the shade Pink Power, but I will never wear a bright pink like that, so I'm gonna get rid of that. I have an EOS lip balm. That smell takes me right back to like 2012 when the beauty community was just firing up and everybody was using the EOS lip balms. I'm gonna get rid of that. A whole bunch of these Chapstick Sugar Cookie. This is just the best scent ever. They're not particularly moisturizing, but the scent is just amazing. I'm actually gonna give these to my mom because she loves the smell, so I'm gonna hand these off to her. And I have 3 boxed of the Stila Color Balm lipsticks in Evangeline. This shade was discontinued, and so I got these on sale. I still really love the shade, so I'm gonna keep these. This was like my favorite color for the longest time, so it's a little bit nostalgic. I'm gonna keep these for now. Rimmel lipstick in Airy Fairy. That's old and expired and I'm getting rid of it. Marc Jacobs in Kiss Kiss Bang Bang in a little mini. A little bright for me, I'm gonna get rid of this one. I have another Lancome shaker. This is in the shade Kiss Me Cherie, and I bought this one. It is the coolest shade of red that looks so good on me. I'm keeping this one. We got a cat to help us out. I have a mini of the Fenty lipstick in the shade Candy Venom. It's pretty bright, but I feel like I could do maybe a really cool look with this. I'm gonna keep this one. These acrylic organizers I got from Amazon, I'm sure. They're really old, so I'm not positive on that, but I'm pretty sure. I've got the NARS lipstick in the shade Orgasm. It's a little bit too frosty for me. I'm gonna get rid of this one. I have an Urban Decay lipstick in the shade Mrs. Mia Wallace. This one is unused and it is the perfect blue red. Definitely keeping this one. I have the Huda liquid lipstick in the shade trophy wife. I'm gonna get rid of this one. I have the Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Fudge. That deep brown color is just never gonna work for me. I'm gonna get rid of that one. I have the NARS lip gloss in the shade Super Orgasm. Little too sparkly for me. I'm gonna get rid of this one. I have the MAC Archie's Girls collection in the shade Summer Sweetheart. This is definitely expired. I'm gonna get rid of it. I have the Kat Von D lipstick in the shade Lolita. It's a really pretty brownie nude. Keeping this one. The NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade San Paulo. I used to love this color. Expired, gonna get rid of it. And the rest of what I have in here is MAC lipsticks. I have a whole bunch of MAC lipsticks in this bag as well, but these are my lesser used ones. We have MAC Rebel. I'm gonna get rid of this one. And remember that you can back to MAC your lipsticks for another lipstick, so I'm keeping all the ones that I'm getting rid of. Coral, oh, this is Sunny Soul. I used to be really into the bright coral shades. Getting rid of that one as well. Coral Bliss, this one I used an awful lot of actually. Getting rid of that one. MAC Red. I think I'm gonna keep MAC Red for now. Like I said, I'm a sucker for a good red. I have MAC Chatterbox in here. I remember when some of these were so huge. I'm getting rid of this one. These bright pinks just look horrible on me. MAC Syrup. Oh, that's definitely growing mold. I maybe will repurchase syrup, but it's moldy and I can't really feel good about using that. So I pretty much got rid of all my permanent collections that were in this acrylic thing. I have MAC Rocky Horror Picture Show in Frankenfurter. I will be keeping that. I love Rocky Horror Picture Show as well, so I'm gonna have a hard time parting with these. And then I also have Sin. That's really chunky for some reason. I'm gonna keep this for now, but this is maybe gonna go in a maybe pile because it's a little bit chunky. I like the color, but it's a little bit chunky and it doesn't go on very smoothly. This is what I'm getting rid of so far. So I got rid of almost everything in that drawer. I'm keeping a grand total of 8 lipsticks from that whole drawer. I've decided I don't use dark lipsticks enough to warrant keeping Sin, so I'm gonna get rid of that one as well. I don't think I can back to MAC it, so I'm gonna be getting rid of it. So now we're gonna go into this one. So I can see a theme. Just looking at these, there's an awful lot of nude. So I'm gonna pick out all the lip liners and we're gonna go with those first. Okay, I have the Kat Von D lip liner in the shade Swanley, which is like a nude. I'm gonna get rid of this one. I'll never use a lip liner like that. I have OG Lolita. That's a great nudie lip liner. Keeping this one. I have the Sephora Collection lip liner in Creme de la Creme. I literally only bought this because it's like the Aristocats Creme de la Creme a la Edgar, but I really do like the color. I'm gonna keep it for now. So I obviously kept a lot of lip liners, but I feel like I got rid of almost as many, not quite, but I got rid of quite a few, and this is all the lip liners I have, so I feel like I'm doing pretty good in that department. I should also note that I have some more lipsticks in my purse in like a small bag, but those are obviously ones that I wear frequently, so I'm obviously keeping those. All right, next I'm gonna do my liquid lipsticks. They're pretty much all the same besides these two. I have NARS Star Woman, which is leaking. This is my favorite red liquid lipstick. I have this one and I have Outlaw from Kat Von D right here. I'm keeping both of them. They're both so excellent. That I only got rid of 4 liquid lipsticks, but liquid lipsticks are something that I don't have a ton of, but I also wear them a lot, so I'm okay with only getting rid of these few. I missed one liquid lipstick. This is Wet n Wild in the shade Rebel Rose. This is a really nice color. I'm gonna keep this one as well. Okay, now I'm gonna do all of my glosses. And that's it for gloss. I only kept 5, got rid of 3, so I think that's a great job. I just found another liquid lipstick. Sorry, they're just popping up everywhere. This is Tarte Birthday Suit. I don't imagine there's anybody that this wouldn't wash out. Yeah, this washes me out really bad, so I'm getting rid of this one. Okay, I have a few more MAC lipsticks. First one is Twig. This one is a really pretty brownie nude on me. Like it a lot, keeping this one. Faux, which you guys know, and as you can see, I use this one all the time. Definitely keeping this one. I have Cream Cup. This one washes me out, so I'm also gonna get rid of this one. And Naked Proof, which is too orangey, so I'm gonna get rid of that one as well. Got rid of a lot of MAC lipsticks today. Okay, so lastly, I just have some miscellaneous lipsticks to go through with you guys, see if what I can get rid of. All of these are what I'm getting rid of, including all of these MAC lipsticks, but obviously I separated these so that I can back to MAC them. And I have all of these to get rid of. I feel really proud of what I did here, getting rid of all of these. And here are all of the lipsticks that I'm choosing to keep. This is all that I'm keeping. I have a few in my purse, but that's obviously not very many. And obviously I use those a ton. So here are all of the lip liners that I'm keeping here. All of my nude, just plain lipsticks, lip glosses here, liquid lipsticks in the front, all of my red lipsticks, the one really bright that I'm keeping, and then just a couple more nude lipsticks. And this one that doesn't fit, so I'm probably going to put this in my purse to use up, just so that it's not floating around. And that is all of my lipstick declutter. I'm really proud of myself. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want another declutter video, and let me know which one I should do next down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!